TikTok is the best and easiest way to make money online right now. TikTok recently launched the TikTok Creativity Program, and people are making tens of thousands every month. In this video, I am going to show you this secret niche that if you act fast, you can make a lot of money. So let's get started. The niche that I am talking about are then and now videos about movie actors. Let's take this account for example. This account has tens of millions of views. Almost every video goes super viral, so if he is in the creativity program, he makes tens of thousands every month. Let's take this YouTube channel for example. As you can see, these are simple before and after videos. He started this channel a few months ago and is already getting over 50 million views last 30 days. I am showing you exactly how to do these videos. So first thing, we need to find a popular movie. You can just Google best movies ever and get a list for the movies. You can also use ChatGPT for finding movies if you want. It doesn't really matter. Now that we have the movie, we need to find the top actors. Just use Google for this by searching the top actors or use ChatGPT. Now next step is to find the before and after pictures. For this, we Google the actor's name and add the movie name at the end to find pictures for that movie. For example, search for Vin Diesel Fast and Furious 1. Go to images and choose a good image from here. Try to use an image that has a full face in it, for example this one. And for the now picture, search for same actor and add old or now, or the year to the end. This picture, for example, is good. Keep in mind that when you search for the pictures, look up at what year these pictures were approximately taken, since we are going to use this info later. And do same for the other movie actors. Keep in mind that the video needs to be at least 1 minute long, so we need around 6 actors to be in one video. Once you have found and downloaded all the pictures, search CapCut from Google and open it up. This is a free editing program, and you need to create a user here. Once you have the user and downloaded the program, then create a new project. Import all the pictures and put them on the editing timeline in the right order. Also, choose the 9:16 ratio from here. Make the pictures the right size so that they are full screen. We are using one picture for around 3 to 5 seconds. Once you have all the pictures in order, we need to add the transitions. Go to transitions and search for then and now transition. Now drag this transition between the old and young pictures and make the transition a bit longer. Now, next step is to use some zoom on the pictures. For this, select the clip and add a keyframe. Zoom it out a bit and drag it to the beginning. Now go the end of the clip and zoom it in a bit. Now go to the second clip and do the same, but zoom it in the beginning of the clip and zoom it out at the end of the clip. It should look like this now, like the picture is constantly moving. Now, we need to add transition between the different actor clips. Go to Effects and use a transition called Sliding Memories. Add this between all the actor clips. Last step is to use text on the video. Go to Text and add New Text Layer. Place it above the right picture. Add the year when the picture was taken or the movie cast year. Place it below middle and make it a bit bigger. Now search for Montserrat font and use this. Now copy and paste the text and place it below the first one and add the actor's current age and change the text color to yellow. Make sure the text ends when the transition is happening. Now do the same thing for all the other clips. And now the video is basically ready. You can add colors or overlays to the video if you want, but it's fine. Export the video and you are good to go. This is the end result. Now I recommend uploading the videos to every platform, to TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. When uploading to TikTok, keep in mind to use trending sounds. And that's it, guys. Subscribe for more valuable content and keep grinding, guys.